Welcome back friends. Myself Kaka Saib Jadhav from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir Aurangabad. Friends, we are studying the fourth chapter of Mathematics Part 2, that is constructions of triangles. Up to this video we had studied the first two types of the constructions. Now we are going to study the third type of the construction, that is if the two angles and the perimeter of a triangle is given, then how we construct the given triangle. For this friends, at first we have to use the theorem, that is the remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior angle theorem. And second one is that is isosceles triangle theorem. So friends, just see this example first. In this example, construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 58 degree, angle X is 46 degree, and the perimeter of triangle, that is 10.5 centimeter. Okay friends, what is given? Two angles X and Y, and the perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides of triangles are given. So for this we have to draw the triangle XYZ such that X equals to 46 degree, Y equals to 58 degree, and the sum of all the sides, that is X plus Y plus X plus Y, XY plus YZ and plus XZ. Okay, that is perimeter. Suppose friends, we have to consider, that is AB is equals to the perimeter means XY plus YZ plus XZ, and it is given as 10.5 centimeter. Suppose this is AB. Now in triangle XYZ, angle X equals to 46 degree. When we consider this triangle ZAX, in a triangle ZAX, XZ equals to AX means triangle is isosceles. So the angles opposite to congruent side are congruent, that is angle XAZ equals to angle XZA. Now in this triangle XYZ, angle ZXY is exterior angle of triangle XAZ, of triangle XAZ. So what happened? By the remote interior angle theorem, suppose this is 1, we are taking AX is equals to XZ by the construction. So what happened? Angle ये x, so angle ZXY equals to angle XAZ plus angle XZA. But from this, suppose this is equals to x, then what happen? From 1, XAZ and XZA are equal, and suppose that is x. So x plus x, and our ZXA is given as 46. So what happen? 2x equals to 46. Therefore, x equals to 46 upon 23, sorry, 2 is equals to 23. Means this one angle is 23 and this one is also 23. Here we had used the remote interior angle theorem. So similarly, we have to calculate the angle B also. So friends, while constructing the triangle XYZ, we have to take XA equals to XZ, means this one angle is congruent to this one by isosceles triangle theorem. And in the triangle AXZ, this ZXY, this angle is exterior angle. This one equals to this one plus this one, but these two are equal. Suppose each one is x, x plus x equals to 2x, equals to this angle is 46. 46 divided by 2, that is 23. Means this angle A is 23. Similarly, in this triangle ZYB, this one side YZ is equals to YB according to the construction. So this one angle is congruent to this one, and angle ZYX means this one angle is exterior angle of this. Hence ZYX equals to angle YZB plus angle YBZ, means 2 into y, suppose this is y, equals to 58. 58 divided by 2, 29. Hence this angle is 29. In this way, while constructing such type of triangles, we use the two theorems. First one is isosceles triangle theorem, and second one is, that is, the remote interior angle theorem. Friends, now actually we are going to construct the given triangles from this. This is our rough figure. Now we are taking the base AB of length 10.5 centimeter. This is our base 10.5 centimeter, which is equals to the perimeter or the sum of all sides. If perimeter is given, then we take this one equals to perimeter, or the sum of three sides is given, then we take the sum of three sides equals to AB. Now as per the calculation, we have calculated 23. Angle A is 23. So draw a ray which makes angle 23 degree at point A. This is a ray which we are going to draw. A ray which makes an angle of 23. Okay. Now similarly, this is 23 degree. Now similarly at B, that is 29 degree. Angle which makes, draw a ray which makes angle 29 degree. Suppose this is the ray which makes an angle 23 degree at point B. This is 29 degree. This is 23 and this one is 29. The point which the rays intersect to each other, that point is known as Z. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of AZ and BZ. So slightly take the distance slightly greater than half of the AZ. And draw the arcs to the both sides. Similarly from Z, those are these arcs. Now take the slightly half distance than the BZ and similar process takes place, that is draw the arcs to the both sides of BZ. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of okay. Now similarly to the side BZ. This is the point where the perpendicular bisector intersects the AB, that is point X, and this is point Y. Now join XZ and YZ. When we see this, according to this remote interior angle theorem, this is of 46 degree and this is of 58 degree. Okay friends, in this way the construction of our triangle XYZ takes place. So the question is that how the perimeter of this triangle XYZ equals to 10.5 centimeter. How it is possible? So for this friends, just see, this is the perpendicular bisector, means X is at equidistance from A and from Z, means this one is equals to this one. This one side is congruent to this one. Similarly, this one is congruent to this one. AX plus XY plus YB equals to 10.5. Just see here. According to our construction, AX plus XY plus YB equals to 10.5 we had taken. But AX is congruent to XZ. Instead of AX, we substitute XZ plus XY as it is. Similarly, YB is congruent to YZ. Hence, sum of all sides of triangle XYZ, that is XZ plus XY plus YZ equals to 10.5, means this is a perimeter. Okay friends, in this way our construction of triangle get completed. Okay.